Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable autoplay in Firefox, then please watch this video. So first of all, open Firefox. Click on the hamburger symbol here and then select settings. Now go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to permissions and there would be one permission named autoplay. Click on settings associated with it, and then you have this option to block audio for all of them or allow audio and video for all of them, or in the about welcome page you have the option to allow, which is selected by default. So autoplay is selected by default, but if you disable audio and video, then this will also disable autoplay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.